Hi, I'm Mikita. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to be painting this beautiful ladybug using gouache. Today I'm using Winsor and Newton gouache. You can use any medium that you have. I'm using 300 GSM paper, and the first step that is going to be there is to draw this cute ladybug. Very basic shapes, so you can pause the video, draw this, and then come back and paint along with me. Everything can be drawn with very basic steps, so don't worry too much if you're going to be drawing something complicated and you feel that it looks very different. In gouache, we're trying to make something which looks similar to what is existing, so it's okay if yours looks a little different. So the first step here is to create a nice background color, and you can see that I don't really wash my palettes from the paints. I keep them as it is. All I need to do is add a little bit of water and I can just activate my colors back again. So I'm going over these small details like the tentacles, the legs, because all of those areas I can just create another layer on top of it because it's very easy to do layering in gouache. You'll notice towards the end of this video how I am doing that. So all you need to do is create your background first and then go and fill in your colors for your foreground. So with gouache, you can use it in two ways. If you've seen my earlier videos, you would have noticed how in some of them I use a very creamy consistency, in some of them I use a slightly watery consistency. So you can use it in either ways and you can play around with it and see which one suits your style the best. So the next step we're going to do is add in the details to our ladybug. So I'm taking some red. I'll add a little bit of water to make it slightly less creamy, and you'll notice that once your paints dry they are a little bit chalky, so you just need to make sure that you blend them in well. Use a little bit of water and make sure that the entire pigment is broken down and it's nicely mixed. So I'm going to now apply this red, and if your red is very light, it's translucent and it's not giving you an opaque consistency, you can either add a little bit of yellow to it to make it like an orangish red, or you could just add 2 layers of your red. Once the base layer dries, just create another layer on top of it. So now that this is done, I'm going to now use some black and we'll add in all the details and you will see how the ladybug looks finally. Unfortunately, after this step my video got purged, so you can see how the final one looks like. So all you need to do is fill in the rest of the areas with black and your bug is ready.